Hello, I'm Chef Barry from oakcuisine.com and welcome to Oak Cuisine, your guide to the finest dishes of the world. Today we have something a little different and it might just save your life. Now, I don't know if it's affecting you in your country, but in the United Kingdom we're suffering from a global pandemic, something called the coronavirus. A virus is like a computer virus but for your body. It can make you very ill, and some of the people who live in the place where I live went to hospital with it in March and they haven't come back yet. That's a bit long, innit? Anyway, everyone's looking for a cure for the coronavirus, and a doctor from Carlisle thinks he's found a way to stop you getting it. I think Carlisle's up in Scotland somewhere. He's called Dr. John Campbell.
Hey, warm welcome to this video.
Now, what he's about to say might sound a bit crazy, but he's a scientist, so listen to what he says. There's good science behind all of this. It's cheese. Cheese will protect us from the coronavirus. Here's the picture he did about it.
And each of these slices of Swiss cheese is a preventative measure.
Now, I've shown some people his cheese pictures and they said it was something called EM Mental. So I got some from the Tesco. Here it is. And Dr. John said,
so do protect yourself with as many slices of cheese as possible. And the more slices of cheese you have in, the more likely you are to stop the virus.
So I'm going to use all of it. Now, what are we supposed to do with the cheese? Well, this is what he says in his video.
Wearing your mask is a slice of cheese.
So I think this is where everybody else has been going wrong. Everyone else is wearing masks made of fabric. They look like knickers or bras, some of them. But what Dr. John is saying is they need to be made of cheese. The fabric isn't good enough to stop the corona, but the cheese is. Before I went to the Tesco, I tried making a mask with some cheddar I already had in the fridge, but it didn't work. It kept blocking up my passages and I couldn't breathe. That's why it's important to get the EM Mental cheese.
But you see, each of these slices of cheese has got holes in it.
So that's really clever, see, because the cheese is protecting you from the corona, but you can still breathe through the holes. I'm really grateful to Dr. John for inventing this. He's a very clever doctor.
You are most welcome.
Cheers. And you lot should be grateful too, because he'll probably save the world with it. So send him some money or something. Now, I'll show you the mask I made in a second, but first I want to say thanks for watching this video. You're welcome. Please remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell to receive notifications of all forthcoming Oak Cuisine videos. But before you go, please leave a comment to let me know what you think. Do you have coronavirus? Do you have a mask? Have you tried a cheese mask? Have you made a mask out of something different than EM Mental cheese? There's so much to talk about in the Oak Cuisine community. Bye for now, and until next time, this is Chef Barry from oakcuisine.com signing off.
Seems to be working. I can't breathe, Barbara.